Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to fashion show. So basically, whenever party time starts, that's whenever you want to buy the refills and all. I recommend doing Judge Boost, using that for your tokens, because model boost, it'll just give you boost for your model. And if you're in a crew, it's important to do Judge Boost because it'll help the other team, but plus or your crew, and you'll get more tickets. And here's the rewards. This is like as many times as, or how many tickets you earn depends on, like, that. And then model, that'll be the model one. You go here and you over here. And like, see, I'm already dressed as a theme. You have to do it by the theme. So, and then, judge is how many tickets you earn yourself. Now, I'm going to try hard for this theme because I really like these. That's just how many tickets you earn yourself. And then the crew, that's based on like how many tickets your crew earns all together. Now, to join a crew, there's usually like something in the top right corner to join a crew, but I would recommend going in chat rooms and like asking to join a crew or get to the top crew. Like right now we're ranked 2, but yeah. But I'm trying hard for this theme. So basically how you model is you click let's go. And then you have to click on the one that best does the, or you think, well, you have to like vote on which like character, and here's refills that you use. Which character or best Abby best suits the theme. Oh my god, I cannot get my words out. But yeah, that's basically what you do. Oh my god, I'm losing because I'm concentrating on talking. So yeah, it's basically what you do. And every time you hit, like, you see that number at the bottom, the 5, whenever that gets to 10, you'll get a refill, or you can get glasses. The magic glasses just automatically, I'm not going to use them right now until I need to. But, oops, I should have used them. But the magic glasses basically, helps you win. Like, you win automatically, you know what I mean? Like, picking the Abby. If you don't know what Abby, if you're not sure which Abby should win, then, one second. See, I got a max combo reached, half energy refill. Okay, so I'm basically gonna be on this game like all day, cause I'm gonna try hard for this theme. Okay. So, okay, model. I am rank 1,658, and then we have all these other beautiful models that are ahead of me. Okay. And here I'm judge. I'm rank 124, which is okay, but it could do better. We're rank 2, which is one of the highest ones. But I'm going to keep trying today. So, I think that's everything. But let me just double check. So, and then you can enter another theme, the next theme. But I'm not going to do that yet. Okay, I'm just trying to think of if there's anything else. Oh, and these things, every time your crew reaches a certain, like, max combo reached, you can claim these, and this one gives 1 grab, spin, and 2 tokens. And what you want to do with those tokens is do it to judge, do not do it to model. And, like, you can also get event items. I I don't know which one is better, but like, I'm assuming this one is better. I could be wrong, but like, I would recommend buying gold from the gold from the store. I usually buy this one. Oops, don't want to do that. No. I recommend buying one of those two up top, because you can buy these, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can buy this and all that. But of course this, I would only buy it because of the token. But then again, I'm not sure. Oops. But yeah, and then you can collect these every, like, whatever. You can do it, like, one per day. And same with the ones on the bottom. But yeah, I usually go for the max refills or, like, the glasses. But I don't know. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay. So I think that's everything. Forgive me if I forget something. But that's everything. Bye.